a 2017 Sonata, and it's in that limp mode. And one time it happened before, and they had like this warranty or something on it for the life of the vehicle or something.
Okay.
I'm just wondering what to do with it.
Check engine light is on, is that right?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's blinking.
Oh, yeah, that's a problem. So when the check engine light flashes like that, that means the computer has detected a catalytic converter damaging misfire occur. So it flashes the light to alert the driver not to continue to drive the vehicle. Now, for a short time, it'd be okay, but prolonged driving when the engine's misfiring like that would eventually, cause damage to your converter and the exhaust system. So obviously that's going to be an expensive repair. So it's not recommended to drive it, with that light flashing. So really, what somebody needs to do is get in there and really, this is going to be a hands-on diagnosis. Either the dealership or even an independent repair shop will likely be able to diagnose and fix this. So if the check engine light is flashing, it's most likely it's misfiring, and it could just be simple tune-up components, but it also could be something more involved like low compression. But I would recommend you're gonna have to pay someone to diagnose the problem and then go from there. So
Okay.
the most common cause is ignition components. So somebody needs to get in there and check for codes with a compatible scan tool.
Okay, so it might be have it towed in then.
Yeah, that probably would be best. Now, you can go if you have a shop in your area that's maybe right down the road. You might be able to get away with just driving it, very very gently to where, if it's right down the road. But if it's anything, longer than a couple miles, I'd probably get it towed.
All right, I think that helps a lot. You
All right, you're welcome. Good luck. Okay.